Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we have a new report out tonight for subscribers. This is a past winner that we have covered before. The shorts are all over it, and it is setting up for a major short squeeze. I will give you guys a hint. It is on, if you go to Stocktwits and Markets and look at the top new watchers, it is on this list. So it is one of these 10 stocks here listed. So again, this is a hint. Sign up to see what the ticker is and get our full research report. This is a stock you're going to want to pay attention to for Thursday. There's a lot of catalysts at play. Well, guys, today was a market rebound. We got weak ADP data this morning. Private payrolls increased by only 89,000 compared to 160,000 forecast. We also got S&P Global's reading of the services sector showed business activity stagnating amid weak demand conditions in September, while ISM also cooled. So right now we're in the state of where weak data is good news, strong data is bad news, and it's all based on if we get more weak data, that is going to have the Fed pausing their rate hikes, and that long-term Treasury yields will come down, and that has been what's been causing the recent sell-off. We got U.S. one-year T-bills yielding 5.4%, U.S. 2 years 5%, and U.S. 10-year at 4.7%. These were over 4.8% at one point earlier today. So there is the hope that this is a blow-off top, that the market will start cooling off and stocks will start bouncing. But it has been, an overall, rough time in the market. And if you look at how rapidly rising Treasury yields are shaking up five financial markets in 5 markets. I mean, this is the Home Builders ETF, was $82 back in September. Now we're just above 74. Utilities have just gotten hit, 64 in September, down to 56. And the bottom line is, when you can go and in a short-term Treasury bill get 5%, 5% plus, why take risk in stock? So that is what is happening. So it's just basically a reallocation of capital. Small caps, I've been talking about this, August and September were absolutely horrible months. Just at the end of July, we peaked in the IWM ETF, which is for the iShares Russell 2000 ETF, at 198, pulled all the way back to 17. We closed today at 171. So again, you see this here, double top here, 199, 198, pivot highs, and it's just been an absolute massacre in small caps. Same thing with gold. The strong dollar. The trend right now has been, and these are all the quant funds, the CTAs. They're long dollars, short Treasury bills. So that's what's going on there. TLT. This is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF, and you can see how this has just been absolutely decimated down here at 86. It's down 40% from the 2020 or 2021 high. So just absolute repricing of assets, and these have really trended lower in terms of price for bonds, and then the yields have gone higher. And this is also What happened to SVB Bank? They were in treasuries, and when Treasury yields, when they start going up, that makes your existing yields. If you have, let's say you have a bond that's yielding 3%, and now you can get 5%. Well, that value of that 3% bond is less. So why would you go and buy that bond that was sold last year at lower interest rates when you can go and buy one today and get higher interest rates? So that's what's going on there. In terms of small caps and penny stocks, a couple of things going on. First up, FNGR, Fingermotion was up 18%, got a nice rebound. Just got hit yesterday on a short end distort report from Capybara Research. Based on a review by the company's management team, we believe that the Capybara report contains many errors, unsupported speculations, and inaccurate interpretations of events. Basically, I looked at the report. It's a short and distort report, and basically said they looked at everyone talking about it on social media and said, oh, these guys are pumping the stock and whatever. Oh, welcome to the world of small caps. This is, I don't know when people, I call it out here and I say it's pump and dump. This is what small caps do. Trade them, don't own them, don't fall in love with any of these plays. I don't know what people are expecting. Fingermotion is working on a business. Will they be successful in the long run? I don't know. Most likely not. That's just the honest fact. A lot of these small caps, if you've been doing this as long as I have, a lot of these names, eventually go out of business, or they, get delisted, hit the OTC. If you're looking for the next Apple, you're not going to find it in penny stocks. Maybe a recent IPO or something else. But again, when it comes to penny stocks, small caps, penny stocks, stocks under $5 in general, low market caps, trade them, don't own them. I can't stress that enough. NVOS up 12% today. I've been talking about this one. This has just been a great trader. I know some people have talked about the PRs. Their PRs have been suspect. Again, welcome to the club. Trade it, don't own it. It's been a great trader. I talked about this one in August. It broke through the $24.99 pivot high, ran all the way to 53 cents, corrected all the way down to 20 cents. We're at 44 cents. So, if you buy and hold, I don't know if you made money or not, but if you traded it, played that momentum, played that green, got in, got out, made that money, you made money. I can't, keep I'm trying to focus on, KISS, keep it simple, stupid, trade green, focus on plays that have momentum and are running, get in, ride that, that push, get in, get out, make that money, move on to the next play. But none of this is financial advice. OPGN, I've been talking about this one for the past week. Nice bounce today, up 14%. I know this is not huge gains right now. The triple-digit runners, they're hard to come by. But if you focus on what I do, here at InsiderFinancial.com, just go looking for these singles and doubles. Right now, that's the type of market we're in. We're not in that 10x type of market. It will come. I don't know when, but right now, just be focusing on singles and doubles. VVOS was the big runner today, up 64%. Put out news pre-market. They executed strategic agreements with Ormco and on-demand orthodontists to provide Spark Clear aligners to its national network of providers. So basically, this is a sleep apnea, sleep aid company, and they've come up with a partnership where they can put on the orthodontics, the braces, while people sleep, provide retainers, stuff like that. This is a very smart strategic move, and like what they're doing here in VVOS. MDAI, sorry about this, closed up 29%. This stock has just gotten absolutely decimated. It was at $19.50 on September 7th, corrected all the way down to $2. Bounced today. We're still oversold here, RSI at 31. I'll be watching this one for more continuation. I think we can get a nice bounce on this one. Pay attention to put it on your radar screen, MDAI, for the remainder of the week. GALT, it's breaking through here, peeking through here, broke through these pivot highs. I see TLT as a sleeper play. It's going to pop. It's cancer treatment. They got a lot of things going on. It's a great biotech. Consolidated off the lows, and I think it's just getting ready to break out. So put this one on your radar screen. AXLA down 6% today. This has been one that we've done very, very well here at InsiderFinancial.com. Over the last month, it was a great trader. Ran all the way to $41 on a split adjusted basis. Pulled all the way down here to just $7. We're at $9.96. It's consolidating right here. I think this one's setting up for a breakout. So focus on put this one on your radar screen. Play green, not red. Let's look for that momentum, guys. Lastly, FEMY. I've been talking about this one. Was a great trader last week, and I told everyone the RSI got overbought. Expect a pullback. We got that pullback. We pulled right back to $2. We spiked. We closed here today at $2.29. Let's look for some more follow through tomorrow or into Friday. And then Friday is going to be a big day because we get the non-farm payrolls report at 8:30 a.m. We want a week report. If we get a weak report, I think the market is really going to rally, going to get some short covering. We're going to really rally heading into before the weekend. So that's what I'm focused on. Next week we get inflation data. So, that's what's going on right now. I know we focus mostly on small caps, penny stocks. That's what our pre-market alerts, that's what our screens are. But you have to know what's going on in the overall market, because the overall market tells you if we're in a bull market, that's when you get the meme stocks running. That's when you get the AMCs, the GameStops, etc. Right now, when we're pulling back here, this is when you got to focus more on singles and doubles, and stocks with catalysts at play. And lastly, in terms of the overall market, I just want to point out 420 on the SPY or 4200 and the S&P, that is a key level, and that level has held here. We got a double bottom here. That's why we bounced today. So a lot of it also was just the yields got overextended to the upside, stocks got extended to the downside. We got to bounce. I think tomorrow, Thursday is going to be a little bit of a choppy day, and then Friday is going to be the make or break with the non-farm payrolls report. So that's what I'm focused on. That's the game plan for the rest of the week. But guys, you really want to sign up and get our special report on Nasdaq. I will give you another hint. It's a biotech play, and it is on the most watchers list here at on Stocktwits. So go ahead and sign up. It's completely free. Read our research report and see what we have to say about this particular stock. And like I said, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. And here at InsiderFinancial.com, what we're trying to do is put stocks on your radar with the potential for outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. And that's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by seller holds securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great day, traders. Bye-bye.